Hello and welcome to another Sophia Polk Realty luxury listing. I am so excited to walk you through this gorgeous home today at 5505 Gleneagles Drive here in Plano, Texas 75093. This beautifully appointed Mediterranean stucco sits on a very quiet cul-de-sac street with an amazing location. This home is 4,373 square feet with 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, and almost $100,000 in updates. This home has a great courtyard, double iron doors, and also a pool that has been fully updated. Upon entry, we are greeted by 20-foot soaring ceilings, a formal living space with a gorgeous fireplace, and a wall of windows that allows so much natural light to come through this property. The formal dining area is open to the living and the kitchen. One thing I like about the formal dining space is that it's open to this area. Sometimes they're tucked away and people forget to use them, but I certainly could see a lot of people gathering in this formal living and in the dining room together. If you like open living spaces, then this is the home for you. This kitchen has views to the family room, the formal living areas, and the outdoor pool and spa. This kitchen has a stainless steel built-in Sub-Zero refrigerator, double ovens, microwave, and a 6-burner cooktop. There's also gorgeous granite on the countertops with an undermounted sink, a trash drawer, and a dishwasher. Travertine flows throughout the kitchen and the family room. The family room is spacious and has built-in bookshelves and another absolutely stunning fireplace. This master suite is architecturally interesting. It's spacious, it has a view of the pool and spa, and also has a sitting space with a rotunda that has architecturally interesting molding. There's also a stunning fireplace, a door to exit to the outside, and marble floors that run throughout the master suite. I love this master bath. There are double vanities, marble countertops, marble flooring, a large shower, and an upgraded bathtub that has air jets. There's also tall ceilings and upgraded hardware. The master closet is also very large and spacious and has been upgraded with a custom closet system. This wet bar is situated perfectly between the formal and the informal spaces. There's also an opening into the kitchen and family room area. There's granite, wine storage, a sink, and also a refrigerator. This second story is pretty spectacular. There are many iron railing balconies that are open to the first floor below. Upstairs is 3 bedrooms and 2 baths. It's very versatile. One of the bedrooms could be a study or it could be a bedroom. It does have a closet and doors. The second floor also has nailed down hand-scraped hardwood floors, large baseboards and crown moldings, solid core doors on the first floor and the second floor, and also surround sound throughout the house. This floor plan is highly desirable with a game room and separate media room, in addition to the 4 bedrooms. The game room has a wet bar with a refrigerator and also sliding doors that open up to allow the outside in, and you can hear the movement of the sparkling pool. This property has fresh interior and exterior paint as well as carpet. The garage has epoxy flooring and also storage above, which is easily accessible and convenient. This home feeds to highly sought-after Centennial Elementary, Renner Middle School, Shepton High, and Plano West Senior High. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. If you would like additional information or to view our 3D floor plan, go to sophiapolk.com. If you would like to view another Sophia Polk Realty listing, click here. If you would like to view a neighborhood we specialize in, click here. And to subscribe and stay updated, click on the circle below. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.